Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, I have been managing my, own Google Ads for some time, slow in Houston. Okay, but I think I need help. One campaign is down from last year. Preferably, I'm looking for someone in the US, even better in Texas. Okay, so that is a very generic question, to answer on. But if you're a lawyer and you are working in Houston and you are looking for help, I think that you need to figure out. First of all, there are certain categories in the lawyers, such as attorney lawyers, divorce lawyers, criminal lawyers. So I have had to work with some of the clients in these fields, so I have an idea. So which is why I need to know which category you are. Are you a corporate business lawyer? What kind of a lawyer you are. Then I know that this is a very highly saturated and competitive niche, so you need to make a way out. So first thing first, I want you guys to work around on two to three things which can make you an exception. Okay, first of all, that you need to have an amazing landing page. Okay, don't forget that you are paying money for each visitor to land on your website, so your experience should be amazing, exceptional. Even look around for the competitor pages, so you guys have an idea. Then you need to have an amazing ad. Okay, and then when you are working with keyword research. Okay, with keyword research, I'm gonna see that. Okay, the keywords like lawyers near me. Okay, that's these are very amazing keywords, but this only helps when you rightly target your area. Okay, if you create a mass campaign, I do not create a suggesting you to create a big campaign, but create a small base campaign to a specific area, or you can even have a specific radius to figure out. I do not recommend creating huge campaigns, but a small campaigns, and specific customized ad. For instance, you need to figure out the areas in the host, and for each area you can have a different ad, so that people can highly get attracted when you are writing their area name in your ad. Okay, lawyer plus area name in your ad headline. Okay, that is going to have an amazing CTR. Trust me, it's going to win your heart. So you need to have this thing in your ad pinch. And I also recommend adding some ad extensions. I also recommend using call campaigns for lawyers, plus doing retargeting campaigns. These works like amazing for lawyers. If in case if you have a highly customizable winning landing page, don't forget, you guys are paying for each visitor to land on your website. So which is why I'm emphasizing, our whole strategy is being dependent on an amazing campaign, amazing landing page. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is one of the simple ad preview tool to show you how amazing an ad can be. This is a simple ad, but in case if you're a good lawyer, I want you guys to have a look. Call extension, I want you guys to have an allocation extension. In case if you have reviews, just see how great your reviews are. Okay, you do not need to add price extension. Styling extensions can be added. So just see how amazing or tempting your ad can be with just an amazing extension. So add extensions with your ad. I want your ad to be noticeable to the user. That is your first step in winning the heart of your user. For instance, if I go to US and if I search lawyers in Houston, okay, you can have this as well as your you know uh, you know uh, keywords. Okay, in case if you are having this as a keyword, okay, you can have a specific ad group for lawyers plus city name, or state plus state, with state, without state, both can be experimented. And then you need to look around on the landing page. Okay, I do not recommend you to click on your competitor pages, because it's going to cost them a lot, and the CPC is very high in the lawyers niche. Okay, I will also tell you the bidding strategy you can offer the lawyer. Okay, and in case if you have a Google business profile attached, and if in case if you run an ad with this, your ad's going to be shown over here, and it's specific on mobile phones when people are searching on Google Map, and it's going to great, give you amazing customers. Okay, so in case schedule a free consultation, yeah, this is a landing page. Okay, landing page with the face, that spins my heart. This grabs the attention. Just see the landing pages of the competitors. Reviews, this marks an amazing attraction, but not just an average. Okay, I like the form to fill out, but this lacks in images, the trust, authenticity which you get with the real faces. I wanted to have this on the lawyers page. This is a boring landing page, but this has firm over here, but you are wasting money. All your campaign strategy is going to be wasted in lawyers industry in case if you do not have a good landing page. But this is a landing page, this is a my type landing page, this is going to be a winning landing page. In case if you want to hire us, make sure to have a landing page like this, or we can also help you landing pages as well. But in case if you need a professional help for Google Ads, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description. Now gets back, coming back to the topic. Now this is one of an amazing lawyers page. Trust me, you're going to win the heart with this kind of a landing page. This is just amazing. Face the form, even without scrolling everything over there, easy. And then you can have your reviews, explanations, why people opt, your testimonials, why you are different, frequently asked questions. Okay, now this landing page, okay, you could add a phone number over here, you could add a social media account over here to bring more authenticity or trust. But this is one of the winning landing page you need to have. Now coming for your bidding strategy, in case if you ask me for bidding strategy, okay, the bidding strategy, okay, I'm gonna recommend you uh, to work with maximize clicks for 3 weeks, then shift to maximize conversions for 2 weeks, and then shift to bid impression share for 2 weeks with ads top of the page. Compare and see which bidding strategy is good, like in maximize conversion or bid impression share. Okay, you're going to run maximize clicks for the first 2 weeks, and then you're going to leave it after, and this is going to be one of the best strategy. Okay, again, the thing is, figuring out your competitor campaigns, what kind of campaigns they are running, what kind of keywords they are targeting, how they are targeting. So your competitor strategies are very important, and you definitely need a professional, which is why I'm gonna, guys, recommend you to hire us. We are going to make sure to get an awesome, amazing Google Ads campaign for you. In case if you're looking for a professional help, just hire us through the link in the description, and we'll help you because you need a professional help. And this is going to be an amazing winning campaign for you with us. We have a team, we are a group of experts who can help you. We are also Google partner company, so everyone is certified and have an extensive experience. We are currently managing a lot of amounts of money as well, so you guys can, our reviews and our status with Google also speaks for ourselves. So which is why one of the reasons you can hire us. So this is kind of a strategy which I'm going to recommend you as a lawyer. I hope you like the strategy, but in case if you need a professional help, do hire us. And in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I quit a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.